palm reading of a particular person. We'll be talking about important events in this particular person's life, and first, we are going to be talking about uh, the age on different lines on the palm, the important lines. So, the first line that we are going to refer to is the money line. We are taking a look at the left hand. It is generally said that we should take a look at the right hand, but I would look at both the hands and come to the final conclusion. So the first thing that we are going to be talking about is this money line that we have. It has got few breaks in the line. This is the initial period of the life. This portion is around the age of 32 to 35. This portion, from this portion to this portion, this money line is from the age of 35 to 53. So we just draw another line, and this is the headline and this is the heart line. I'm just telling you the age. This is the headline and this money line. So this intersection is age 35. This intersection of the money and the heart line is age 53. Just for your reference sake. So you would notice that in the initial period, the money line kinds of breaks and another one basically starts. So this portion, the timing approximately, it is going to be before the age of 35. The age could be approximately 28 or so. This is just an approximation. Then the line starts another in a very good way, and it kind of ends before it touches the headline. I've already mentioned at the intersection the age is 35. So when it ends before the age of 35, it is ending somewhere close to the age of 32. Another line starts 32, 33, and another line starts somewhere at the age of 34, and that would basically continue. So this is the first portion that we are going to be talking regarding the money line. Another important thing to refer to is on the headline. See, everybody wants to know about money, possessions, and wealth. This is a common question everybody has. So people think that money line would be telling everything about the money. It's not like that. We have to look at almost all aspects of your palm to come to the final conclusion regarding money as well, even to the extent of the headline as well. So this is the headline, and there's an upward line pointing towards the Mount of Jupiter. This is one line we'll be talking about, and this is the headline, and there's an upward line pointing towards the Mount of Mercury. This is another line that we would be referring to. So I'm just going to zoom in out here. You would notice that there's a small upward line moving towards the Mount of Jupiter. Jupiter is the mount for growth, expansion. That is basically the mount for administration, religion, and politics and honor. And the headline, if it moves towards the Mount of Jupiter, it is considered to be a good sign. Any lining moving upward towards a finger is something like it is moving towards the sky. And any line moving downwards from the headline, let's assume there's a small downward line, that would be negative, but upward lines is always considered to be good. It means some gain or some benefit coming to this particular person. This particular line means that the person is aiming towards honor, high position. So the person is likely to get high position and honor, and it's a positive sign. Regarding the second line that we are referring to, that line comes after the age of 35. So this is the headline, and there's an upward kind of a line. So this portion of the line is coming after this intersection. This age is age 35. So this portion is going to be around the age of 40 or so. So this is one part. The second part is regarding the palm in general, what basically the palm is indicating. People want to know about money, possessions, and wealth. So money comes to people who have good set of skills. So this is the area of your skill. And people who have perpendicular lines out here, there are many perpendicular lines out here. Perpendicular lines, when we read the palmistry book, it says that people who have perpendicular lines under the Mount of Mercury, this represents that the person might be a doctor. This is what the book says. But according to me, I read these lines in a little bit different way. I say probably the person can be a doctor, but not necessarily. Because each line, I say that each line means one set of skills, and when there are many lines out here, so multiple set of skills the person is likely to have. So this portion is the area of your calculations, this is the area of your communication, this is the area of your statistics, mathematics, science, everything, and even law and drafting skills. So a person who has good lines and strong lines, because these lines are not just mere lines, mere weak lines, they are not weak lines, these are strong lines. Strong lines means strong set of skills. So this is what basically it means. So the so even if a person does not have a very strong kind of a money line, see money line, the importance of money on money line is just limited to 10, 15, 20%. So we are looking at qualities on your hand. Do we see good qualities in your hand? That might indicate money. So the first thing that is necessary is having good set of skills and good communication skills depicted by the Mount of Mercury. One more important thing to refer out here is that in both the hands, left as well as right, you would notice that the Mercury line is a little bit short. It is just reaching the, this is the ring finger, and it is just reaching to this particular point of the ring finger. Normally, in normal people's case, this line basically might reach somewhere till this particular point, the top line of the ring finger. That is considered to be a good sign. But out here, it's a short finger. Short finger somehow is this, because this is the finger of communication, and if the communication finger is I try to correlate communication finger to a communication tower. This is a short tower, this is a long tower. So a long tower would have a greater reach, short tower has got a shorter reach. Book says that this finger should be long, Mercury finger should be long and at least reaching at this particular time portion. But I found in many people's case, in spite of having a short finger, those people gain. Those people are to the extent very good communicators. So this person could also be a good communicator, but what I found is that these people communicate effectively with thousands of people in an effective way. But when it comes to people who are really close by, that's where the problem basically arises. So they are not able to bridge the gap between the near and dear ones. So my suggestion to this person would be try to bridge the gap. See the break in the money line out here, the break that we see in the money line. So this is a little bit negative aspect as far as even relationship goes. So the person needs to be a little bit careful regarding this and try to bridge the gap between the near and dear ones. Now we come to the right hand. In the right hand, what we saw on the left hand, similar is this upward line. In the left hand, it was something like this is the head, and the upward line was going somewhere at this particular portion. But in this particular right hand, it's at the right at the initial start. So people who want to rise up to a high position or gain political strength or administrative strength, this is the line to refer to. It is a beautiful line for regarding government and governance. Both these things are considered to be a very beautiful sign. As far as the Mercury mount goes, you would notice that on the Mercury mount, there's a strong line out here. So strong set of lines on the mount of Mercury is a good sign regarding good set of skills, and skills basically is the thing that brings you success. As far as the heartline goes, this is the heartline and it is ending under the mount of Saturn. This is the area of Saturn, mount of Saturn. So a heartline that ends on the mount of Saturn depicts that the person is angling towards money, possessions and wealth. So a person who angles towards money, possessions and wealth, that person is likely to make more money. This person is likely to value money very much because the heartline is ending under the mount of Saturn. Saturn is all about money, money management and responsibility. This is all about multiplying money. So all these things are depicted in this particular person's hand. The heartline is very simple, deep and clear, without any break, without overlaps, without branches over the heartline. This is the best possible line that the person can have. To be successful, a person needs to be focused, and to see focus on the hand, we just look at the heart line. A heart line that is simple signifies that the person is able to offer his life to one single cause, and the person who is able to offer his life to a single cause, that person is likely to be more successful because they are focused, they are committed, they are dedicated. This is what they are, and that is the reason why they are likely to be more successful. The head, the heart, and the headline is evenly balanced means a very predictable kind of a person. Just the mercury finger is a little bit short. That is basically a little bit negative aspect. But as far as other portions of the palm goes, it's a reasonably good hand. As far as the lifeline goes, lifeline tells about the life energies. Lifeline is very simple, deep, and clear. This is what it should be like, because if there are breaks or unevenness, so what it would mean is that the health is not going to be good, and a person whose health is not good, they cannot have good desires, high desires, and they are likely to, and their desires are likely to go down as their age progresses. But in this particular case, the person is likely to remain healthy, and the person, this area is for desire, so this area appears to be well padded, reasonably well padded, not superly well padded, but reasonably well padded. And apart from that, there's also a supporting lifeline. So people who have a supporting lifeline starting on the mount of Mars negative, this is the area of Mars negative. So if there is a Mars negative area where this line basically starts, so it makes a person a fighter. Mars is a red planet. Planet means anger, aggression, and fire. People who have this particular line, supporting lifeline, this is the lifeline, and this is the supporting lifeline. It is considered to be good. Some people have got a short Mars line, so the years there is limited. People who have got a longer line, it means it is for throughout their life and not limited only for few particular years. So this is what is basically represented out here, and and there's a little bit of confusion only in one small aspect. This is the headline that we talk about. This is the headline that we talk about. So in this case, we are not able to completely know is this headline splitting into two. Either it is something like this, or it could be the headline is something coming like out here, and the money line is coming something like this. So if the money line is coming kind of originating on the amount of moon, moon is the area of travel. It is also the area of service industry, and it is also the area of public appreciation. That's where the person gains from. If the line is originating on the amount of moon, but if the headline is splitting into two, it would mean that the person is a genius. Genius doesn't mean that they know everything, but genius means that they are better than other people when we compare with those people, with these people who have got a split line of head. As far as the money line goes, this is the money line, and towards the end, you would notice the line is having a trident kind of a thing. Trident towards the end, or even at the earlier portion of the palm, is considered to be a good sign. The reason why we say it is considered to be a good sign, if a person has got a V or a Y, V is not victory. Don't correlate something with English words, but it is something like energies is penetrating your fingers. Energies or light is penetrating your fingers, and they are getting accumulated out here. So whenever these energies are getting accumulated in a V or a Y, that this portion becomes important here. So this portion of life is going to be somewhere beyond the age of 53. So this is the money line and this is the hard line. So this intersection is 53. So this portion is beyond the age of 53. On the sun area, the sun mount, the person has got one or two lines. They are reasonably strong. So the person's career is going to be reasonably strong. So it is a good sign. The person also has got a small mole on the finger of Jupiter. Jupiter is for administration, religion, politics, honor. So the person mole just makes that particular area significant. That's it, and it would play as a major thing in this particular person's life. So Jupiter would play a major portion. So maybe position and honor, upward lines on Jupiter. These are very beautiful signs. And if a person sits on a particular position, it would be difficult for other people to pull this particular person down from that particular position. this is the headline, and there's a negative line coming on and touching the headline somewhere out here. So this position could be somewhere at the age of approximately 30 or so, and but because it's not damaging the headline, this position, so it doesn't have much value, but still small mental issues might crop up, and but they are going to get solved. So that's it for this particular hand right now. Rest I would be talking, and we would be discussing further. Thanks for watching this video. Bye and take care.